First, I discussed the limitation of VLOOKUP formula. As indicates from its name, it's vertical lookup formula. It works from top to bottom in column. It's a vertical lookup formula. It works from the top to bottom. And VLOOKUP formula works from the left to right hand side column. If there was a column on this left hand side, then formula doesn't work. VLOOKUP formula always move from the left to right hand side column. It doesn't move to the left hand side. It always moves from the left to right hand side. So this is another limitation of VLOOKUP formula. Third limitation is that the lookup value should be unique. In this scenario, my employee ID column should unique. For example, if there is any duplicate value, I try to make a duplicate value. For example, if I write 2255 here, and here if I change the value 2255, now you can see if there are duplicates in lookup value column, so what the formula will do, formula will look up for the first value only. In this example, employee ID 2255 is appearing twice. So what the formula is doing, formula will go into the data range. In the first scenario, it will pick up the 1875, okay, and when we copy down the cell, it will again look for this 2255 and give us the result from the very first cell. You can see in the second time it's giving a 1875 again, whereas in data range, if I see that 2255 which is appearing twice, and in second time its revenue is 4035, but in the formula it's giving me the value 1875. So hence prove when there are duplicates, the VLOOKUP formula only pick up the first value. It doesn't go to the second value. So this is the another limitation of VLOOKUP formula. And another limitation is the VLOOKUP formula is that the lookup value should be extreme on the left hand side from where you start your formula. So these were the limitation of VLOOKUP formula.